Which friendly little bear first met the Brown family at Paddington Station in 1958? Rupert Bear, Winnie the Pooh, Corduroy, Paddington Bear. The correct answer is Paddington Bear. What material was originally used to cover baseballs before modern cowhide became standard? Horsehide, pigskin, sheepskin, deerhide. The correct answer is horsehide. What is the rarest eye color, including rare genetic conditions like albinism? Green, gray, red, blue. The correct answer is red. In The Sound of Music, the Von Trapp family escapes from the Nazis by crossing which famous mountain range? The Alps, the Pyrenees, the Carpathians, the Rockies. The correct answer is the Alps. Which liquid used for removing paint is made by distilling resin from pine trees? Turpentine, benzene, alcohol, acetone. The correct answer is turpentine. When the legendary Steve Jobs stepped down as the CEO of Apple, who officially took over the reins of the tech giant? Elon Musk, Tim Cook, Bill Gates, Jeff Bezos. The correct answer is Tim Cook. The Teatro alla Scala Opera House is located in which Italian city? Rome, Venice, Milan, Florence. The correct answer is Milan. Nigeria, the giant of Africa, has a buzzing capital city. Which one is it? Niamey, Belmopan, Abuja, Manama. The correct answer is Abuja. Which country sponsored Christopher Columbus's voyage to the New World? Portugal, Spain, England, Italy. The correct answer is Spain. If someone has laryngitis, which part of their body isn't working properly? Heart, voice box, lungs, nose. The correct answer is voice box. If you're at the gym and want to build up the trap muscles around the base of your neck, which exercise should you do? Bicep curls, leg extensions, shoulder shrugs, sit-ups. The correct answer is shoulder shrugs. What structures in the kidneys filter blood? Alveoli, nephrons, platelets, bronchioles. The correct answer is nephrons. Which cells in the eye are responsible for detecting color? Rods, cones, bipolar cells, ganglion cells. The correct answer is cones. Which company is responsible for creating the popular video game Fortnite? Activision, Epic Games, Electronic Arts, Ubisoft. The correct answer is Epic Games. What kind of bread is typically used to make a classic Reuben sandwich? Rye bread, sourdough, whole wheat, brioche. The correct answer is rye bread.